Hey guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover deleted Snapchat memories. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you have to do is just open Snapchat here. And then let me show you, I am deleting this one from here. You can see I have deleted my snap from here. So go back again, open Snapchat, then tap on the profile icon. Here tap on the settings again. Scroll down into the privacy section and here tap on my data. Here log into Snapchat. From here what you have to do is just simply scroll it on. So here you can see submit, tap on the submit request. Tap on submit request. So guys, here you can see we received your request. We are preparing copy of your data now. We will email you at this one when your data is ready to download. So guys, go back and open Gmail app here. So guys, here you can see your Snapchat data is ready for download. Tap on click here and here tap on my data and download your data. Open it, open HTML, and here you can see all of your data is available here which you have lost it. So at the first number your recently deleted data is available here. So I am going to download this one. So guys, it's downloaded now, so go back and open your gallery. So guys, as you can see, this is my recently deleted video. In this way, you can recover deleted Snapchat memories. So this was the process by which you can recover deleted Snapchat memories. If you find this video helpful, please like,